Hey there, Russell traders. David here of TradingFibs.com to give you the daily recap for May 30th, 2013. Not much to report today. Our price action pretty much remained within the 25-minute open range on all charts. Whether it was 25-minute open range, 1 hour open range, had the same numbers. Based on my trading plan, I don't take any entries outside the range, so quiet for me, sat on my hands, enjoyed my profits from yesterday, and look forward to another day tomorrow. I'd say probably the best move of the day, if you are a range trader, was probably at the opening. Looking on the other markets, pretty much had the same situation from the E-mini. Broke a little bit to the upside here. The YM had a little break upside, but as you can see all around, the Nasdaq pretty much had the best action today, as on the AD line, and well, AD line was pretty much flat. Let's take a look at market internals. Market internals at one point was 7-1 on the Nasdaq. Was really the Nas was really the leader today. So had a nice push above the 25-minute open range. Actually found support here and pushed up a little bit. I don't trade the Nasdaq. I have a couple of people in my trading room that do, so they were able to take a couple points on there. But as a Russell trader, pretty much kept within the range. So looking at the 25-minute open range and where we found lines of support, our opening bell up to the top of 25-minute open range. Coming down, daily gap was never reached, only a couple ticks shy. We found support at the start at the weekly pivot at 987.6, came down to a low of 987.4, and open range high 995.4, and just came up to almost the 61.8 fib line, which is a short target. Came up there almost once, almost twice, a couple hits, and then came down to the fib line 50% and just settled right above that. Looking at my Heikin Ashi charts, again keeping within the 25-minute open range. Had a couple EMA crossovers here. Nothing significant, couple Fibonacci setups, but again, very wide open range, 987 to 995. You got almost a 80 tick, 87, 97, so almost an 80 tick move up. Really the best move of the day was on the crossover at the opening. You had a very strong market breadth and everything in the green, market internal. So you could have rode this up in looking at another better chart here. Here you go. You got the 4 EMA, so a crossover over here at 5 minutes past the open. The 5 EMA above the 13, 21, and 80. And all strong Heikin Ashi. Again, the top of the range reached up here at 995.4. So if you trade from the open in the first 30 minutes, you could have gotten a nice little profit there of about 50, 60 ticks. Yeah, 990 and 990, yeah, about 50 ticks. Looking at our daily support and resistance lines, pretty much kept to almost to the Camarilla pivot lines. Actually, you can see here we daily pivot down here and daily R1 at 994. Price came up to Cam H4, which was around the Fibonacci line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 hits, but never really breached above that. That would have been a momentum drive above that, and came in and settled within that range here. This morning I said that being that market internals were to the upside, the only kind of trade I would be looking for is if we had broken the 25-minute open range. We got a fib line here, a weekly fib level, a monthly fib level, and Cam H4. So the only entry I was going to take was on strong market internals, looking at the 1 hour open range with 995.4. So we had at least 5 lines of resistance here. If we had broken above 997.2, I probably would have gone long with Heikin Ashi crossovers to the upside and gone in long. I wasn't going to fight the market internals. Market internals were all in the green today, and all to the upside. So nothing much to report today. No trades. No trades is a good day of trading. Sometimes you keep your profits in your pocket from the day before, and you you just look forward to the next day. So again, market internals, pretty much AD line flattened out. Had a nice rise on the day of the market breadth. At one point it was 7-1. Ticks, so about even. Start out the day 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 1 down. So pretty much a chop day. And again, nice move on the crude, the 25-minute open range. And the soybeans pretty much kept within the range. Apple had a wonderful day, part of the move on the NASDAQ. So if you're an Apple trader, just waiting on that breakout in the range with Heikin Ashis would have put you in the money. So there again are our 4 indices and the opening trade of the day on the nice Heikin Ashi bars to the upside. That's the recap for May 30th. You can check out more information on my blog at tradingfibs.com, additional resources, charts, and more information on my trading style. I look forward to seeing you on StockTwits, Twitter. Check me out on Facebook, Google+, all over the place, YouTube channel. Have a great day. Good night.